Welcome to Mindzeta. Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. Today we will be scanning the Nmap website. We will use few flags to extract detailed information. Let's head back to terminal. First we will check the Nmap version, whether it is an app or Nmap-V. This is the flag which will give you the Nmap version. Here, I'm running Nmap 7.92. The first flag we are going to introduce is the Nmap-H. It's like a manual on how to use the Nmap tool. Let's look into it. Starting from here, it provides which version of Nmap we are running. How to use this kind of the syntax. Here, you have to type Nmap like how we gave here. Then scan types. So these are the different scan types techniques that we can use. For example, dash, then options and the target specification. The target specification, it can be host names, IP addresses, networks or list, where you have stored a lot of host names in a text file. You can pass it. Here you can do host discovery. These are the flags used for host discovery. These are the different scan techniques available over here, like TCP scan, TCP null scan, IP protocol scan, UDP scan, port specification and scan order. So if you are doing a scan for your own server and you know what ports are open and you just want to see if they are vulnerable or not, or what information they are providing, so you can skip it and you can only need to add those ports to save the time. Service detection. This is one of the part that we are going to see today. We will be using the -SV flag that will probe open ports to determine service and version information. Script scans. Nmap provides a lot of scripts. It comes with Nmap. Here, you can access the script with this. There is a default script and there are different type of scripts which can be used. OS detection. You can use the -O for capital dash, capital O for checking what OS is over there. Timing and performance. This is what we are going to see today. Now, we will be doing this -T5 and then we will be doing -T4. Then we will see the difference between two of them. There are a bunch of other things you can look into. Let's start with the scan for today. We will go Nmap-O. This is used to output whatever result Nmap is giving to a text file. Here, I'll add it to Nmap-Nmap.txt. That's it. Here we are going to see the services flag. This will provide the services running and their versions, and after that we are going to use -T5 and the host name which we are going to scan. It is canv.nmap.warchip. Upon hitting enter, let's see. Now the scan is started. We'll watch as Nmap does its work and gathers all the necessary information. Once the scan is complete, we can analyze the output, and this file is nmap.txt, which contains valuable information about the operating system services and potential vulnerabilities, all of which is crucial for assessing the network. Here, the scan is complete. So let's decode what we have as the output. Here's the first line, that is Nmap scan the report for the host name, scan.nmap.warchip that we passed. It gave the IP for the host, and it gave bunch of open ports which are available now, in the versions it's running. 22 TCP is running in SSH, and the software is running OpenSSH version 6.6.1. Port 80 is an open port, which is a HTTP port and it's running an Apache server. 9929 port, which is also a TCP. It is also in open state and it's using the service mping echo. This is the result for T5 and the total time taken is 29.4 seconds. The output file is nmap.txt. I will just do nmap.txt. Here, you can see this is what is stored in that nmap.txt file. So, now we will do it for nmap-1 and then for T4. Here, we will see if there is any difference. You can see there is a slight difference. The scan completed in 29.45 seconds for T5, and this is the output. For T5 it is completed within 29.45 seconds. And for T4 it is completed within 26.4 seconds. So the data we see is almost same. There is no difference in it. But this will not be the case in real time. This is a website which Nmap has opened for learning purposes. On a real network, you might see some differences. It was a quick overview of Nmap. If you run into any issues, contact us at info@mindzeeta.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzeeta, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.